When it comes to getting people to join your paid Skool community, what you write on your About page will make or break the sale. I analyzed the About pages for 50 of the top 1% of Skool communities, and I found 11 elements that all of these communities use in order to create About pages that convert. In this video, I'm going to show you an AI tool that's trained on these 11 elements to write high converting About page copy in seconds using this proven formula. Now, before I show you the tool, let me talk about the prerequisites, the things you need to have in place before you think about creating your About page. All right, so this is our 10K community blueprint that you're looking at right here. These are the 4 phases that we walk our elite members through and our high ticket clients to help them to build a highly profitable and fun community-based business. All right, so the first phase of this process is the launch phase. And in the launch phase, there are a series of steps that we need to take in order to set up the community and get it launched the right way so that when people are coming in, we're ready to convert those people into paying members. So the first step of that process is to create what we call a product roadmap. So a product roadmap is essentially your step-by-step process that you take your customers through from having a problem that they want to solve all the way to the transformation they want to achieve. So you have a series of steps that they need to go through in order to achieve that transformation. And so by creating this document, first of all, you're gaining a lot of clarity around who you help, what problems you help solve, and then the step-by-step process that you take your customers through in order to solve those problems, okay? That gives your customers a logical path that they see that they can follow to get the transformation that they're after, okay? And this gives you a foundational asset that we can use with AI, which we'll show you in a second, that will help you to create all of the other things in your business a lot faster and easier. Now, once we have the product roadmap, we have a tool that will basically take that product roadmap and turn it into an offer. So your product is not your offer. Your offer is the way that you package up that product to make it irresistible to your target audience so that it's easy to sell. I have another video that I'll drop in the description that actually shows you a tool that we use to take that product roadmap and turn it into an irresistible offer. Now, once we have this irresistible offer, we can take that to our About page auditor, which I'll show you in just a second, and it will craft a high converting About page for our Skool community. So now let's head over to the tool and let me show you how that works. So what you're looking at here is Community AI. Community AI is a series of tools that I've built, our proprietary tools that our elite members get and our high ticket clients get in order to help them to implement the 4 phases of our 10K community blueprint faster and easier. So we have tools that help them create offers. We have tools that help them to set up their community and launch the community, tools that help them to drive organic traffic into the community to grow it, and paid traffic. And then also tools that help our members convert their free members into paying customers. So these are the tools that are going to help them to get the results that they're after a lot faster and easier. The tool that I want to talk about today is in the community launch folder, and it's called the About Page Auditor. So this tool can basically do a couple of different things. It can either help you audit your current About page. So you just paste in the copy and it'll help you to understand those different 11 elements that we talked about and then audit it, your current About page versus those 11 elements, and give you some ideas on how you can improve it. And then it will even rewrite your About page copy. The other thing it can do is it can take our offer once we've created it. Remember, that's one of the prerequisites, and it can turn that offer into a high converting About page. So let me show you each of these features. So first, let's audit a current About page and show you how this feature works to kind of break down the different elements of the high converting About page and then audit your current About page versus those 11 elements. So this is one of our new high ticket clients, Chris Pettifish. He's launching a brand new community where he helps advanced golfers improve or shave off 1.5 to 2 shots off every round using data analytics. All right. So this is his old About page, and it's actually not that bad, but I think it could definitely be improved. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to grab that old copy and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go back to our About page auditor and I'm going to click this little button that says, can you audit my community About page and suggest improvements based on high converting best practices? So I'm going to click that button and then I'm going to paste in his current About page copy. It's about to audit the page versus the 11 best practices. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter and we're going to wait for that response and then we'll take a look at what it gave us. All right, so we've got our audit report back. Let's take a look. The first thing that we're going to see here is the overall score. 5 out of the 11 elements have been met. So the strengths of this actual page is the actual credibility. So it's giving some good credibility, which is important. It's one of the elements of the high converting About pages. Also, clear structure. What you get is is scannable. Character efficiency, it's 850 out of 1,000 characters, which is good. And then specific niche, okay? So the gaps and the improvements needed are the who statement is buried. So current issue, target audience appears halfway down. So the first sentence is about the community, not the golfer. So one of the things that you want to make sure with your about pages is when someone lands on their page, they can see themselves in the problem that they have within 3 seconds of landing on that page. They want to self-identify that they're in the right place right when they land on that page, and that's the first gap here that this is seeing. Gives it a little bit of a recommendation. Weak transformation hook, so current issue, better decisions and lower scores is vague. How much lower, how fast? So being more specific with that transformation statement. No frictionless decision elements, so zero mention of a trial, guarantee, how to cancel. Now, he is not running a trial right now. He could add a guarantee, which would also basically have a risk reversal. So that's something that we might want to add in the future, but he's got such a great offer right off the bat that we are considering not doing a guarantee. All right, so missing value disparity, no price anchor on perceived value stack. So when you're showing what's in the actual bullet points of what's in the features that are in the community, you also want to add what's the value of each one of those things. And then when they see that total value and they compare it to the price of the actual community itself, it looks very, very cheap. Okay, so that's kind of what it's talking about here. No strategic bonuses, so we don't have any bonuses. We need to add those. Dive into the lab is a passive and metaphorical, so weak call to action. So basically just be more direct with your call to action. Join right now and start saving strokes this weekend, and no emoji visual structure. Okay, so then it gives some formatting notes, and then it shows you the missing emotional triggers, and then down here it gives you some quick wins. Then what we'll actually do is if you wanted to rewrite it using these 11 best practices, I'm going to say, yes, please rewrite, and let's see what it comes back with. All right, so this is the optimized about page that it just wrote for us. So first of all, calling out who this is for. So for competitive golfers shooting 75 to 85 who keep bleeding shots to poor decisions, save 3 to 5 strokes per round without changing your swing. Okay, so strong transformation statement, also calling out exactly who this is for right off the bat. Then we have a really good, strong credibility section here. And then what you get, so this is the breakdown of the bullets here. And then we also have, probably should add the value of each one of those. And then the bonuses to add value, even more value. This is the value discrepancy here versus the $49 per month. And then the final thing is the straightforward call to action. We've got the guarantee here, try for 7 days, cancel anytime. So that's your risk reversal. And then the straightforward and direct call to action. Characters are within the 1,000 character limit. And then basically it tells you what's changed and that now this about page is hitting those 11 elements. All right, so now let's actually show you how to take an offer, paste it into the tool, and have it create an about page from the offer. All right, so this is what's called a offer one-sheeter. This is basically a document that we created for Chris. It basically outlines the structure of the offer, lays everything that the person's gonna get, has the transformation, very similar to an about page content or copy. But this document is used for kind of more high ticket offers, things like that, for getting people on the phone to present this offer, but also can be used for your community offer. Now we have another tool that is in the community AI called the Offer Creation Consultant that actually built this offer one-sheeter for us, okay? And I have another video that I'll actually drop in the description that walks you through that tool and how it works, all right? So let's actually grab our offer here. I'm gonna do Control A, Control C. I'm gonna grab the actual offer itself, and then I've created a new chat with the About Page Auditor, and then I'm gonna just say, can you write my About Page copy from my offer, okay? And then I'm gonna drop in that offer document, and then now this is gonna write our about page copy. So if you go through our process of creating a product roadmap, using our AI tool to turn that into an offer one-sheeter, then we can take that offer one-sheeter and we can turn it into about page copy for our community. All right, so now we got our about page copy back. Let's take a look. All right, so for serious golfers who waste 1.5 to 2 shots per round on bad decisions. So again, calling out the audience and who this community is is for right off the bat. And then the transformation statement, eliminate those wasted shots in 6 weeks using the strokes gained performance system. This is the same system that Chris Pettifish uses in professional competition. You will finally walk off every course confident that you executed the optimal process, knowing exactly where to aim, why, and how to make math-proven decisions under pressure instead of emotional-based mistakes. Another kind of really strong transformation piece there. Then we have our bullet points, and we show them exactly what they get. We built the emotion here. Now we're playing on the logical side of the brain. We have our bonuses to add even more value. We also have our value discrepancy here. And then the final value comparison here, where we got 4,376 worth of value, and the investment is only 497 for the year, which is obviously a big discrepancy and makes it sound pretty cheap. Then we have the scarcity and urgency here. So lock in this price forever. After 30 members, annual price will jump to the prices going up. And then our straightforward call to action. This is kind of the risk reversal almost for us. And then the straightforward call to action. So you can see how fast and easy it is to create high converting about pages using this AI tool. Now, having great about page copy is one thing, but it's just one small piece of the overall puzzle. If you'd really like to build a highly profitable and fun community, you're going to need the entire process. So we've developed what we call the 10K community blueprint that has 4 different phases that will actually walk you through setting up all the systems you need to build that highly profitable community. I've actually created a video that walks you through the 4-phase system, and I'm going to drop a link in the description so you can check out that video, and I'll see you there.